Perfection is the bigger trap. You should not worry about perfection. Just start. On flow, you can improve yourself. On flow, you can correct yourself. But the thing is, let me start. Sir, I want to become a big businessman. Yeah, wonderful. Definitely will become big businessman. But only thing is, today onwards, at least 5 minutes better to spend on that activity. At least 5 minutes today onwards better to spend on that activity. That thing must be required. Anything in your life, anything you will become, no problem. You can become a builder, you can become a big builder, you can become a big software company owner. You can beat Elon Musk also. Possibility is there. But only thing is, every day at least 5 minutes better to spend on that activity. Just 2 minutes, man. At least 2 minutes, man. There are several people who are not having the time, not finding the time. Are 2 minutes of spending, is it impossible to spend? Is it impossible to spend 2 minutes of spending?
No.
No, right? So, out of 100, you thought a number of activities you require to do. But why you didn't complete or you didn't do those activities? The bigger reason for that is, you thought a number of activities in your mind, correct, right? A number, sir, I have to do this, I have to do this, I require to do that, I require to do this, like. Why you didn't do those activities? The bigger reason for that is very simple, sir. You didn't start that activity. Once started, 50% of success by default is going to be happen. But we didn't start. We are waiting for perfect time. We are waiting for perfect situation. We are waiting for perfect time when I will have full money, when I will have free time, when I will have some background, when I will have knowledge. Then only I require to do that. So you never going to start. Obviously, in your life, nothing. It is never going to be happen in your life. That's fine. So that starting friction, that starting resistance, if you can overcome by using at least 2 minutes action, then automatically, by default, that activity is going to be completed, dosto. Remember, this is at least 2 minutes. Powerful mantra. You are not required to do, man. Just start 2 minutes. That's all. 2 minutes. Just take one white paper and saying, okay, today onwards, I'm starting so-and-so activity. That's it. 2 minutes got completed. 2 times you can read it. Got completed. That starting resistance by default gone. Next day also, you don't know what you require to do that. Open the same page. Write again. I already started this activity. I already started this activity. Okay. So like open ChatGPT. These are 2 items I'm going to do related to this activity. Just write that. Third day, okay, like just 2 minutes, automatically, slowly, you entered into the river, start swimming the things. The swimming automatically is going to be happen. Don't worry at all. But first entered into the river, that thing is very important. I hope it's clear. So don't depend on motivation. Don't wait for
Perfection.
Don't wait for perfection. Perfection is the trap. Motivation is the trap. Next, don't do micromanagement. Micromanagement is the very worst. Delegate outcomes, delegate results, delegate decision making as a business owner. Next, I want to do everything on my own. If the best quality required, I only require to do that. If the best quality is required, I only require to do that. These type of things, Don't give that much importance.